find the ball.
Find it. Yay, good boy. Here, I'm going to put it at a different place in the whole scheme of things. Okay.
All right, go find your ball. Get your ball.
Go find it.
Come.
Good boy. Go get it. Find it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Find it. Is that yours? I don't think that was his. Find it. I think his is over here. Is that yours? Where's yours?
Is it that one?
Wait, find it. Find your ball. Where's your ball? Maybe it is that one.
Is it this one? It must be.
No, it's not that one. He left it there. Go find it. Find the right one. Yes, that's it. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. All right.
Sit. Wait. All right, let's go.
Go find
your
it. Yay, good boy. Go find it. Where is it? Yay, good boy. Excellent job.